Hello everyone, welcome back to my little channel. How's everyone doing? So today I'm going to be doing some twin nails on my client. She ended up choosing the same set of nails that I recently had on my nails. Yes, girl. And guess what? I got good news. I know a lot of people have been waiting for these nail tips to come back in stock, but they had been like hella stuck at customs. So girlfriend, they back in stock. So go get it while it's hot. I'm using the Blue Poppy what is it called? Glitter acrylic. I'm gonna be doing all the nails ombre except the ring finger. And I normally like to do that bottom half first and then going with the nude. I'm using my smooth set monomer along with my I don't remember if it's the unicorn brush or the princesita one, but this one I believe is the number 12. And I'm just getting enough acrylic because I took a collection of the floral collection to the salon, and they're like the 1/4 ounce. And I was like, okay, girlfriend, if I be putting like a whole blob to the nail, I'm not gonna have enough for all 10 because I had already used it on another client. I did all her nails with it. And I was like, como que I need some for all the nails, girl. So just apply a thin layer. And for the most part, I always just apply a thin coat of whatever color that I'm using. And then the rest I encapsulate. So you don't need too much product, just enough. And right now that it's starting to get warm, girl, warm. It's getting hot, hot, hot. The product does tend to dry a little bit faster, so is my favorite time of the year to do nails. I fucking hate the heat personally, but for nails, I love it because the product just dries a little faster, so you get to move a little bit faster. But it still gives you enough time to play with it and all of that. So I'm just using my brush to lightly pat the acrylic into place. You don't really want to do too much dragging because then that's when you start to make all these lumps and bumps and all of that. So just pat the acrylic and guide it down the nail. And I like to always do a thin where half of the nails at. Sorry, I can't talk right now. My head be hurting. But where I place the bead, I like to thin that area down when I'm doing an ombre so that there won't be a harsh line. And I know I've mentioned this in the past, but I don't know if you knew, girl. I don't know if you just found me on YouTube or whatever and you just decided to click on this video. But if you have, don't forget to subscribe, honey. Leave me a little thumbs up and a little comment. How is your day going? And so my next step is going to be using the Cover Pink Nude from Zilay's Nails, bigcartel.com, girlfriend, for the ombre. This one is one of my favorite cover nudes that I have, because it's not really pink, but it's not nude, like it's not brown and it's not peachy. It's like natural, so it's like perfect. And it has pretty good coverage, so I'm just going to do the same process to all the nails. And again, I don't really apply it very thick. Normally the nudes, I do make them slightly thicker than the glitter acrylic, but it just depends on my mood. And later I'm going to go ahead and encapsulate the nails. So I'm not going to talk throughout the whole video only because I need to upload this pronto before these nail tips sell out. I did put them up a few minutes ago, so let me get to that and enjoy the rest of the video. Have a beautiful day, ladies. And I'm going to be working on my next video possibly later today or tomorrow on my nails. So I'm still trying to decide if I should do my pink nails that I posted on Instagram or should I do some Disney inspired nails. I don't know. Let me know in the comments what you think I should do, or should I just do a little Disney inspired hand and not mine. Okay, well, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
just trying to get to you like I wanna make you mine. I'm just spending all my thoughts on you like I need you now. I'm just trying to get to you like I wanna make you mine. Yeah, I'm just spending all my thoughts on you like I need you now. Mary Jane, please love me. Mary Jane, please hurt me. Mary Jane, please hate me. Mary Jane, please love me. I'm just trying to get to you like I wanna make you mine. Yeah. I'm just spending all my thoughts on you like I need you now.
Darkness can't stop on the way. 내 눈 속에 날 보면, girl, you make all my heart melt away. Baby, be my Mary Jane. Oh, my Mary Jane.
I'm just trying to get to you like I wanna make you mine. I'm just spending all my thoughts on you like I need you now. I'm just trying to get to you like I wanna make you mine. Yeah, I'm just spending all my thoughts on you like I need you now. Mary Jane, please love me. Mary Jane, please hurt me. Mary Jane, please hate me. Mary Jane, please love me. I'm just trying to get to you like I wanna make you mine. Yeah. I'm just spending all my thoughts on you like I need you now.
Darkness can't stop on the way. 내 눈 속에 날 보면, girl, you make all my heart melt away. Baby, be my Mary Jane. Oh, my Mary Jane.
I'm just trying to get to you like I wanna make you mine. I'm just spending all my thoughts on you like I need you now. I'm just trying to get to you like I wanna make you mine. Yeah, I'm just spending all my thoughts on you like I need you now. I need you now.
I'm so in love with you, honestly. And no darkness can stop on the way. 내 눈 속에 날 보면, girl, you make all my heart melt away. Baby, be my Mary Jane. Oh, my Mary Jane. Oh,
I'm just trying to get to you like I wanna make you mine. I'm just spending all my thoughts on you like I need you now. I'm just trying to get to you like I wanna make you mine. Yeah, I'm just spending all my thoughts on you like I need you now. Mary Jane, please love me. Mary Jane.